Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to edit a vertical video on iPhone. First things first, if you do not have iMovie installed, what you want to do is head to your App Store, then type iMovie, then click the application after searching for it. Download iMovie and wait for the application to install. So, once you have iMovie installed, what you want to do is click on iMovie and then click the movie option on the bottom of your screen. Next is select any video of your choice from your gallery that you will want to import on your project. So, now that you have your video clip selected on your timeline, you will see that the video is not vertical at all. If you want to make the video vertical, we can now proceed by selecting the video on your timeline. Once you press the video, you will see a magnifying glass icon on the top right of your screen. Now that you've pressed that icon, it will show an instruction where you can pinch to zoom the selected video. Pinch your screen to adjust the video until it turns into a vertical video. Once you have adjusted the desired size, let go and the video will automatically center itself. And that's it! You can now edit the vertical video on an iPhone. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling!